do you think people do for World Water Day?
I think it's a birthday for water.
It's a birthday for water. We will sing water a happy birthday song.
No!
Hi, I'm Hazeline. I'm from the Little Skool-House at Ministry of Education, and I've been with Little Skool-House for 6 years. Teaching in Little Skool-House has been very enriching, talking to the children and hearing their views about the world.
So in today's Little Global Citizens Chat, we'll be talking about this.
Alright, thank you. Oh, World Water Day. I think water is a very important resource. It's a good opportunity to instill in children the responsibility towards water conservation. We also teach the children about issues around the world, such as how people in other countries may not have access to clean water like we do. They already know things like turning off the water, turning off the tap, but those are just my thoughts. Let's hear what the children have to say.
Hi, Teacher Hazeline.
Hello Dylan, hello Clarisse. Now do you know what we are going to talk about today?
No.
No? No guesses at all?
Dinosaurs?
Dinosaurs? I have some questions for you over here, and they are all about water.
Oh.
What do you know about water? Oh, yes Dylan?
When it rains, right, water that drop on the floor will very small droplets will go back in the sky.
Oh, they will go back into the sky?
Then after that happens, it will come back down into new rain.
Oh, you mean it will go up and then they come down again as rain? Where do you think we get water from?
Use tap water, then boil it.
Oh, we get water from the tap, we boil them before we drink? Now, can you tell me how you use water every day?
Washing hands.
Oh, for washing hands? What else?
Drinking water.
Drinking water, shower. Anything else? Is that all we use water for?
Swim.
For swimming? What do you use water for at home or school?
Flush the toilet bowl and wash our hands.
To flush the toilet bowl as well. Not the toilet will stink, right?
Yeah. Watering plant.
Oh, watering the plants. Now, I have a big question for you. How long do you think we can survive without water for?
1 month?
1 month? And Clarisse's guess?
1 day.
1 day. Do you want to know the answer to that?
Yes. Yeah.
3 days.
What?
So if you don't drink water for 3 days, what do you think will happen?
Die.
Have you ever heard of World Water Day?
We celebrate it on 22nd March.
Oh, we celebrate.
22nd March.
And what do you think people do for World Water Day?
Eat cake.
Eat cake?
Eat the water cake.
You think feed the water cake. Anyway, for World Water Day is a day that we remind ourselves why clean water is important. So why is it important to have clean water, and why is it important that we save water?
So if it's not clean water, there may be dirty things.
There might be dirty things.
And germs inside.
Germs inside that might make us sick.
Don't save water, right? People will have no water to drink. And we have water for showering.
We have water for washing, water for showering. Can you think of a way we can recycle water in our daily activities?
After you wash the rice, you could water the plants. You can use that water to wash the floor if you draw on the floor.
Do we put them in the recycling bin?
No. No liquid. No liquid in the bin.
Oh, you're right, no liquid in the bin, sorry. I'm going to show you a picture and you're going to see what do you think it shows.
I think it is water in sand.
And what do you see the girl doing?
Getting all the water, the salt and the water.
Getting water.
The salt out.
So actually, Dylan is right. Not everyone around the world have clean water for drinking. There are many people in the world who do not have clean water. What do you think people without clean water do?
I think they take the dirty water, wash the dirty water, then they will drink.
How?
So they will put it in the washing machine.
They will put water in the washing machine to clean it and then they drink it?
Yes.
Now, sadly, that's not the case. In other parts of the world that do not have clean water, what they do is they will just have to drink whatever water they can find.
Oh.
So, what ideas do you have for people who do not have clean water?
You could put it in a bucket, then put a lid on it and take a plane and give it to them.
Or maybe we can send the clean water to them in a bucket in a plane. What do you think would happen if people were to drink the dirty water?
I think their body wouldn't be healthy.
Oh, their body wouldn't be able to take it and they might fall
Sick.
for sick. I see. So by sharing the clean water with them, we are showing care. Is that what you said?
Yes.
I see.
Welcome to this special edition of a pop quiz. And we're gonna see who knows more about water. Alright. True or false? Bathrooms are the largest use of water at home.
True. True.
The answer is true!
Yeah!
True or false? Water covers more than 70% of the earth.
False.
It's true. It covers 71% of the earth. What event about water happens on the 22nd of March?
World Water's Day.
Correct!
Italy.
Share one way we can save water at home.
When you are putting salt on your hand off the tap.
How much water should a person drink a day?
6 cups.
Correct! 6 cups of water. How long can a person go without water?
3 days. 3 days.
Correct!
Yeah!
True or false? Is water essential to life?
Yes!
How
Many people in this world do not have clean water.
200 billion.
200. 2 billion.
And the answer is 2 billion people.
Happy World Water Day!
Thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye!